Welcome in Music City Trader Tribe, folks of all people. Here we go. 1 minute 53 seconds on this little line that I put here. I think this is decent. It's an inner line. It's this really strong line right here. Okay, it kind of got in this little consolidation point. It's been in and out of it. This huge candle down in the 10-minute. In the 30-minute. 30-minute looks a little weird. It looks like it could continue pushing down to the white line, but it hasn't here. So I feel pretty good about it as long as it stays. Yeah, look at it staying up there. It's 1 minute and 13 seconds. Let's watch it in here. Look at that big jump, man. It jumped and then it held. I don't know. I don't like those big jumps, but this is my first trade of the day. Been talking to Todd, my trading partner, my trading guy from way back in the day, from the fascinating world of binary options. And he's been talking to me about making one single trade or two single trades a day. Now I do only make about 1 or 2 trades a day, unless I lose. This was a really nice, hopefully it sticks up there. We'll just watch it 30 seconds. Sometimes I don't like watching it in the 10-second because it gets crazy. It got up to that middle line. It's poked back. It's got 20 seconds. It looks like it's kind of staying. It's good, but it's getting a little iffy in the 10-second. Oh, look at that. But I think unless it, oh man, 10 seconds, 10. Okay. I think it's going to hold. 7. Come on, baby. Hold. 5. Hold, baby. Hold, baby. Hold, baby. Hold, baby. There we go. And that's it. That's a win. First win of the day. Let's see if we can run this thing here. Now the psychological warfare begins. It's like, okay, I'm in the money. It's Friday. Had a rough start of the week. I'm in the money today, so maybe I quit and just call it a day and check the. Let's check the math here. 48.79 up 48.79. I don't know why it's let's see here. I'm going to see what happens here. Oh, that's why. Oh, this is okay. 48. We started out with 47.30. So this should be 10 and 3. No, it just says 4%. See, that's why I got confused. It's equals this divided by this, I believe, is what it's supposed to be. I got that mixed up. So 96% now. So it's equal this divided by this, and 103. It's 3.1. Let's see. How did I get this? This divided by this, and then divided by 2, I think, or something. 47.30 divided by this. 96. Okay. That's probably more like it. Minus 100. I forget how to do the math. Man, I forget how to. Let's see if I have another one of these, because I have one of these in different places. I basically, let's see. It's a C4 divided by C2. C4 divided by C. Yeah, so it's what I have. See, that's wrong too. 1400 divided by C2. I'm trying to figure out the math of this thing. Why is it doing this? Equals divided by equals. I'm trying, guys. I'm not gonna be able to figure this out. I think it's made $149. So it's really 1% is what it is. I have to redo this calculator. I have all of this in here. I have all these little things that I do. Let's see here. Risk growth. Oh, Todd's account change. Okay. Yeah, N3 divided by N4. Here it is. In there, that's the N3 divided by N4. So starting account N3 divided by N4. So the balance divided by the starting. Okay. The balance divided by the starting is what it is. Equals the balance. Equals the balance divided by the starting. Minus 1. Bank. See, 3.15%. And I just don't think that's right because it's really not 3. It's the balance. Oh, I see. It's this. It's the balance divided by the starting assets minus 1. 1.15%. Aha! There it is, my folk. Yes, it is. Welcome to the the trading session. I'm up 1.1. I'm up 1.15%. Okay. So now I look around and I see, what do I think is going to happen to these charts, And do I think this is going to break this bottom? Maybe I just look for, I've been looking for some RSI touches, and I did win some yesterday, because the 10-minute charts didn't look so, I don't want to say like they didn't look so promising, but I just couldn't tell exactly what was happening. For example, in this 10-minute chart, it's going down, it's going down, it's going down, it's going down. It has a line here that it kind of hit and then went back up, but that line does it really make any sense over here? Maybe right there. So it's following some in right there. So, maybe that did make some sense, there, but it's cryptic. It's a little bit cryptic there. It hit, but it went through it here, went through it here, went through it here. It obeyed it there. So it's not like there's so many places that it's just obeying everything. It's kind of like picking and choosing and moving itself around different places. So it has gotten down here a couple times. So if it would get down there again on an RSI touch, but when I look at the RSI, look at that, it's RSI breaking that, and it's sitting here on the 1 minute line here. So it's likely going to pop off this bottom and go back up, but it's not like 100% going to do that, because it could be obeying here, 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 here. This is the very bottom. It's kind of going down there, Let's go ahead and do it. That is sort of sort of an RSI break there. A decent level, let's say that. It's definitely a decent level, but it's got a huge amount of breaking power. But then again, sometimes breaking power equates back to pop up, like it broke it and then it popped up. I got a really good position. Not the greatest position of the entire world, because that would have been right here when it shot down, because it could consolidate in this area. But then again, it's at 92%. It is kind of going back up. Let's just watch and see what happens. See if it can create its kind of thing. It kind of bumped down here. Then it went way up, like, whoa. And then it started coming back down. Well, the good thing about this is it came down really hard. It kind of came down, just trashed itself down. It broke through a little bit, and now it's got what we call rejection. It's got some play. Yes, it's got some play. It's got some rejection. It's kind of got some confusion. It's got 30 seconds. I'm in the money. I just need a couple candles to go up, There, it looked like it rejected the top. I don't like that top wick. But I do like my position. If it can hold up here for 20 seconds, we can have a second win. We can go into the weekend. It's going to be a 4-day weekend. Thank God I am a believer, and I believe in, I don't believe that God just lets you hit the button and it just goes your way every single time. But that is a second win for today. A second win for today, guys. That was beautiful. That was beautiful. Man, that was beautiful. That was like textbook. Now, yesterday was the 12th. I guess today's the 13th. I don't know if it thinks tomorrow's the 14th. It's really the 14th where I'm at. I guess in this time zone. The 12th, we had 2 wins. Boom, boom. Great profit yesterday. The 13th, we had 2 wins. Boom, boom. So I've had 4 straight wins. And they all, to be honest, looked kind of a lot just like that just looked. They all looked kind of just like that just looked, to be honest with you. 528, 5028, 50, 5028. So we're up today, 298. We're up today, 2.30%. Now I have to do this. This is day 36. 5028. So we're up that. So if you look at this today, and then tax savings will be $1,500 because I put some money in there today. And I think, do I have to put the notes in here? Do I have to put notes in here? Injecting $250 for February 14th. It's a Friday. So I injected $250. It is not being calculated within my, what I've won trading. It's just giving me a little bit more. So for example, oops, I have to redo that. Okay. What did I do? I wanted to say this. I wanted to say 100 in. I'm gonna have to put it in again. I injecting 250 to tax savings. So you guys, maybe you don't know what I'm talking about. February 14th. So basically what I'm doing is I'm saving some money anyway. And so I thought, well, I'll save it in my tax savings. And I'm calling it added cash. This number is included in this full assets now, 1351. So I'm trading off of that number. So my trade went up. Today I was doing $162 trades. And because I won $300 and I injected my weekend savings to it, now next week when I start, I'll be starting at $169 trade. So I'll be risking $676. But here's what we did today. The really beautiful thing today is, now none of this cash that's being injected is being totaled in this program balance. For me, I want it to be, really see what I'm making trading, not if I'm putting my money into it. If I'm putting a little money into it, I'm just kind of speeding up the climb a little bit, because my goal obviously is to climb all the way down here to where I have about a $50,000 account. And then I want to get up to a $100,000 account, so that every day that I'm making, about $1,500, just doing what I'm doing, just like today, just make 2 simple trades. I would have made about 1,900, 18. I would have made close to $2,000 today had I been doing my $1,000. So I'm trying to get up my count up. And so here is the thing which I can celebrate today on this Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. I can celebrate this because I started this 36 sessions ago with $6,000. And my total growth, what I've actually made in pocket option is 12,000. Now I'm at 12,031. So I've actually made trading profit without any of the cash injection that I've made. A total of $6,000 in 36 days. So my total growth has been 100%. So today was a really good day. Just in fact, a good trading day. And I hit the 100% mark. So I doubled my account in 36 days. 36, it's 36 trading sessions. I don't trade every day. So 36 sessions, we doubled our account. And that's what I'm going to change the name of this YouTube video to, is 36 days, doubled the account in 36 days. That's fantastic. An amazing feat for me. 36 days, doubled the account, safely going through. Now I had a couple days where I went kind of crazy. I've been going a little bit crazy. Sometimes I lose, I go a little bit crazy, but I've also been putting in plan a place that, I've been putting in place a plan that is really good. And for making up, like if I have a bad day, instead of blowing it out. Also, you can follow me in the Bolster in the Music City Trader Tribe, because that's where I'm kind of showing people what I'm doing. Now, trading profit over 36 sessions is that much, 6,031. Now I'm going to take some money out today. I'm going to put it into Bitcoin, because it says safe PO balance, safe pocket option balance. I really only need about 25% of my full trading sort of program in here. That's all I need, 25%. I don't really want more money in there, because I know, guys, it's kind of hard to say this, but I still don't super trust myself. So if I were to get really emotional one day, really emotional, and and it can happen because I'm just stupid sometimes. I don't want all my money in pocket options so I can just blow through it. Like, I don't want to blow $7,000, $8,000. I don't want to blow 10,000. I don't want to blow 12,000. I don't want to blow any thousands. But if I only have, say, 3,000 in there, then if I got really crazy and just like started taking $500 trades and just stacking them up, it would protect me from blowing all of this money. I would only blow 3,000-ish dollars of my account. And maybe you guys think that's crazy, like, oh man, but no, I don't trust myself. You've seen it. I think even less than 10 days ago, I had a day where I just kind of leveraged, and leveraging is fine. I've always come out ahead during this 36-day period, but leveraging is also very tempting. And the more money you have to leverage, the more tempting it is, the more minuscule it feels. When you see a giant account like $12,000 in there, and you think, oh, I'm only making $300 trades, I can make those all day and win. Well, that's not true if you're losing. It's not true. And I've proven that over the 3-year period I've been learning binary options, that I can climb up really high and then get crazy and blow my account. So this time, I have just been taking out my money a little bit at a time as I've won it, and just keeping enough in there to give myself a 25% stop loss. So day 1, I'm going to lose 5% if I lose it, 5 or 6. Day 2, I'm going to lose another. I'm going to leverage up 7 or 8%. So I'm going to lose another. If I lost that day 2, I'd lose 7 or 8%. So I'd be down about 5 plus 8. What is that? 13, 14, 15%. And then I would have 10 more percent that next day. I would be pretty low, but I'd have 10 more percent of my account, which is still like $1,000. I'd still have almost $1,000 to make back the 2,000 I'm already down. So the problem is, if you're losing and you're getting crazy, you're kind of losing leverage. And I've always felt like if you had endless amounts of leverage, you could always win binary options. If you had endless leverage, you could win binary options, and so easy. But that's the thing, we don't have endless leverage. And the problem is, as we leverage up more and more money, we lose more. So we start trading more to leverage more, and then our account gets compromised. That's what I've been noticing. So that's why I've kind of set stop losses that are really at the top of my account, like 5%. It's like that's my loss. So you're not down a ton. You're only down, in this $12,000 account, $13,000 account that I have, I'd be down $600. So it's still like not even 1,000 out of the 13,000 I have. So I feel like part of my psychology of this has been, how much can I lose without being just really angry? Because when you get really angry, then things get scary, when you get angry. When I get angry and I start thinking, there's no way I could lose again. I've already lost 6 trades. There's no way I'm gonna win this next one. That's when it gets really scary, because then you lose the next one and you think, holy moly, like there's no possible, I'm going to get one of these has to turn around. It has to turn around. It has to. And then it doesn't. And, you can sit there in disbelief all you want and blow your account. So that's what I do. Yeah, on bad days. And I've done it before. And that's why I take out so much money. That's why I've been making withdrawals each time I get up to, around $5,000. It's going to get bigger and bigger. Right now, it's telling me to leave in 3,300. So I'll take out enough to, I'll take out 1,500 or so, so I'll have about 3,500 in there. So it'll be safe. It'll be safe for me to go. I'll build back up to 5,000, 6,000, 7,000. Then I'll look at my chart and take some more out. So guys, thanks for watching the show. Again, you can join Music City Trader, and here's exactly how you can do it.
Hey, no matter where you are right now in your journey, you can become a profitable binary options trader. All it takes is a simple trading strategy to win trades and the ability to stick with your plan. But it's easier said than done, especially if you're trying to do this alone. But now you don't have to do this alone. Right now, you can go to MusicCityTrader.com and join me in a tribe of dedicated traders. We're on a journey together, and there's room for you today. You'll get all access to the exclusive Trading Tribe app, where you can post your progress, share your wins and losses, learn what's working from other traders, and you'll get exclusive trading sheets, strategy guides, trading journal downloads, and more. You can even participate in my special live trading sessions and even copy my trades right inside Pocket Option using the Social Trade feature. Go to MusicCityTrader.com and join the Trader Tribe today. Success is within reach, and you're not alone. Click and join today at MusicCityTrader.com.